What use is an F-call? I'm about to go on a couple of trips and I thought that it might be a good idea to have a radio with me. If nothing else, a great opportunity to talk to some locals on their local repeater. I have a portable kit, that is a Yaesu 857D with two 26 amp hour batteries, which goes forever using 10 watts. My back of napkin calculation says that on 2 meters I can transmit continuously for over 12 hours with that. More realistically, if I transmit 10 minutes out of every hour, over 40 hours, though I've never tested it and likely the numbers will be different for HF using SSB with my antenna tuner plugged in. This amazing battery life comes at a cost, namely size and weight. The batteries fit in a medium-sized toolbox, and each battery uses more than 8 kilos from my luggage allowance, so if I was keen, I could stick my radio and 16 kilos of battery in my suitcase and take my toothbrush, but I'm pretty sure my hosts would prefer that I packed some clean clothes as well. I've been shopping around for a handheld, and I know that for $100 or so I could select from any number of cheap handhelds, which for some reason that I'm yet to determine, the amateur radio fraternity appears to refer to as handy-talkies rather than walkie-talkies. The closest I can come to is that a HT, or handheld transceiver, once got explained by a walkie-talkie user as a handy-talkie, and it stuck. But I don't know. What's in a name? Anyway, I'd like to be able to use the same accessories I already have, like the nice remote microphone that costs more than the handheld I can get, my battery charger, the mount I already have in my car, etc. A friendly ham had loaned me a handheld radio for a previous journey, and I'm borrowing another one this weekend from another ham, which is a fantastic way to try before you buy. But I'm not yet convinced. I've begun to investigate solving the problem in another way. Pack my current radio into a satchel, add a small lithium-ion battery of some description, and I've got my normal radio with me when I travel. I don't yet know if that's going to work. For example, I've not yet figured out how to deal with the antenna, since the radio isn't really designed for sitting on its tail with an antenna hanging out. But perhaps I can set it on a flat surface and poke a multi-band antenna out the back. I won't be able to attach it to my belt, but at this time that's not a great concern. Ironically, when I started, I skipped the handheld option and my Go kit has gotten larger and heavier every time I find another essential tool. I think I might need to make 2 Go kits, one mobile and one portable. Hi. It seems that even if you bought yourself your ultimate radio, your needs change. I'm Ono, Victor Kilo 6, Foxtrot, Lima Alpha Bravo.